He's just a baby. He's just a baby.
That's so close. Is it out?
Check.
Or you're joking?
Probably did.
It's like a jigsaw puzzle. A nightmare of a jigsaw puzzle.
We're all three bouncing off ideas, constantly working together, and it is the best atmosphere.
I'm the supervisor.
Every day we wake up, and we don't leave this building sometimes till 5, Monday through Friday, and I just enjoy it. It's just, this is what I know, is to make art, welding. Anytime you come across me, this is how I look every single day, nor do I care. And like I saw you today, I was like, oh, this is what you get today. But if you're working, you're gonna look like this, so I'm not ashamed of it either.
We gotta change more.
There's something just oddly relaxing about just like making the small circles and just kind of taking two very strong objects and almost just manipulating them as if it was just like clay or paper.
We use the winged victory of Samothrace as kind of an inspirational piece. This ancient Greek statue kind of represents this moment of victory for these warriors. I always sort of relate education in the same way. There's a kind of a victory at the end, but it's also a struggle. It's a battle. You really have to develop a kind of a warrior's mentality about it. So that's how I see it. I see it as sort of this metaphor for higher education, for this victory over, ourselves in a certain sense. As we go through this process of education, it's a challenge.
I can't even explain in words what this program did for me. I mean, it absolutely gave me support. It gave me a family. It gave me a career. And then I'm going to continue that career, which I never thought ever that I would actually be a sculptor. Like, I am actually living, breathing artist. So it's like a taboo. And then I'm actually doing it. It blows my mind. And I just feel like I could never thank Gregory enough for that. And it'd be like, oh, what do you do? What do you do? He just gave me the support I needed.
That is not possible to be number 3.
My name's Mark Canada, and I am the Chancellor here at IU Kokomo, and I'm delighted to have such a great turnout for this event. You weren't really thinking of it so much as an event, and we are going to have a sculpture walk a little bit later in the fall, but this is a chance for us to appreciate some really wonderful work that our students, along with their faculty mentor, have done. And this really, I think, epitomizes what we do here at IU Kokomo, which is to celebrate student achievement, give them a chance to do meaningful work for the community and for our campus. And so it's really nice to have an emblem of that. And what's really nice about this is that we have an artifact that shows the work that the students did. So this is really an embodiment of what we believe here about student achievement.